connect with something deep. And when it works, when there's a transformation, that's what I want to share with you. My heart was always open, even when I didn't know it, even when I didn't know who. I was always looking for you. Since I heard the word love, I have always been in search of one to hold on to. I was always looking for you. I always was. I was always looking for you. I always will be. 1, 2, 3. Done me in your bed, I felt it. Tried to reach you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before that cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. Well, I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family. It's our God intended right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. Checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backward just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I've been saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, and I won't hesitate. No more, no more. It cannot wait. Take it. I'm yours. Open up your mind, sing like me. Open up your plans and you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find I've got no choice. Cause we're all connected. Yes, we are. You know it's true, of course. I will always be you.